There comes a time in life of a nation and of a party when silence is betrayal. That time is now. What is happening in Zimbabwe today has never happened before, not since 1980. The ruling party ZANU-PF is being hijacked in broad daylight by Novio, rich opportunists, masquerading as benefactors. And unless President Emmerson Mnangagwa takes decisive action, the consequences will be there, not just for the party, but for the state itself. Zvikananda must be reined in. Sarapina mashoko atogona chikumusarwa chiti aiwa zvikananda zvaparadza nyika. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti pinazera anoiramira chiti it is not only unseemingly but politically dangerous for individuals to pledge $700,000 to armor 2K for ED and 1 million to young women for ED, while soldiers, the very backbone of national security, languish in barracks, eating unbalanced meals with no bonuses, no morale, no recognition. This is not just tone deaf, it is reckless. ZANU-PF is not a playground for the Zvikananda must inject their money into the party structures, the commissariat, the cells, the districts, not into parallel outfits that serve no constitutional purpose with the party. And more critically, Zvikananda must respect the leadership of the party. It is not their role to dictate the political agenda or to outshine the leadership with ostentatious displays of wealth. The party has a hierarchy, it has protocols, it has a legacy. To ignore this is to invite chaos. President Mnangagwa must act. The silence from the top is being interpreted rightly or wrongly as complicit, but history teaches us that when leaders allow parallel power structures to flourish unchecked, they eventually become victims of their own inaction. The soldiers are watching, the war veterans are watching, the grassroots are watching, and they are not amused. This will not end well, not for Zvikananda, not for the party, not for the country. The end, if it comes, will be painful. Thomas Kwantoka panguwa ine aiwana chipomusarwa imbodzi mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Nakumenzi chimedu subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.